Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through the map settings for the Dreame X50 Ultra. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, when we enter into our device, where we select go to the device, we'll be taken to our main overview here where we can actually see our map. And on the right hand side we have two map icons. The first one has a little eyeball. This is our map display settings where we can toggle on or off certain things, check or uncheck what you want displayed on your map or not displayed. We can rotate the map 90 degrees, and we can choose between 2D and 3D viewing styles. There's a look at how to use the 3D map if you're interested in that. Zooming, default viewpoints, all of that. So that's going to be your map viewing settings with the little eyeball. Then we have the pencil icon. This is our map editing settings. We can rename, backup, restore, or delete our map. And then we have tons of different customization options. And at the very bottom, we have multi-floor map management. So we can select that, hit OK. And now we can choose our house type, single or multi-floor. Select OK. And then we have our map switching method here, manual or intelligent recognition. We can pick and choose. And then here's our current maps. And then we could create another map here at the bottom. So say you have a basement and a first story and a second story, whatever it may be, or even different sections around your house, split level, whatever, and you want to take it to a new location, that's how you're going to do it, and then create a new map for that new floor that you're on. Now, with all of that there, we have all of our different editing options on our current map, so we can edit it right here, or we can go back to this screen, and we have them right here again. So, room partition, let's take a look at that. We can merge, divide, hide, or rename rooms. So for us, just for fun, we can select that room and rename it. It's not really a room, it's a staircase. So we'll just put it as, I don't know, recreation area. But we could just add custom. I'll just do stairs. Select done, confirm. But you get the idea. So we can edit all of that within our map, hide, divide, or merge rooms. In this case, I'm happy with everything else. I don't feel like I have to merge anything. Well, I guess I could here. We'll merge this together. There we go, corridor 2. Boom, so very easy to do. Next, ground environment. There's nothing we need to modify here, but basically you can adjust floor material of a room. So if we select the living room, we can change floor tile, we can change the floor direction or other. And then we have carpet options too. So we could round carpet, square carpet, we can add carpet to the map. Next is no-go zones and virtual walls and barriers. We have 3 options down below: virtual walls, drag and drop, no-go zones, drag and drop. Both of those are in red. And then the no-mop zone is in purple. You can add multiples of those all throughout your map. Then we have furniture. You can select furniture. If you like to build out your map and populate it with furniture, you can do that right here. No added benefit of or value that I can find besides just for your own aesthetics and preferences right there. But you can build that out and add furniture to your map if you like. Then we have cleaning sequence. This is where you can basically just drag and drop to reorder how it cleans. So you can select that order right there. Then we have virtual threshold ramp. This is important for this particular model with its ability to clear thresholds. It will automatically mark thresholds for you. Like in our case, it added an impassable threshold there. That's the threshold at the top of our stairs going down, so it's smart enough to do that. If for some reason it misses that, well then you can add it in. Or if there's one that you want to tell it this is passable, that would help it on the map too. But basically you just select the one that you want, drag and drop and customize as needed. You can also add a ramp too. How cool is that? So you can add the ramp on your map. Very easy to configure all of that right there. Just spend a minute. If it's not done properly automatically on its own when it first maps your environment, you can change them right there. Then we have curtain. This is new, guys. This is pretty cool. So you can add a curtain to your map. If there's a particular area that you want it to clean under and around curtains, you can do that. Just make sure you follow this guide here. If the curtains are on the ground, you don't want to mark that area because it could risk the vacuum getting tangled and caught in your curtains. So there you go. And lastly, this one's also new, low-lying areas. Thanks to the ability for this vacuum to lower its module up at the top, you can add low-lying areas. Again, it should do it automatically for you, but if there's other furniture around the house, things like that you want to activate, you can add the low clearance areas there too, right on your map, and it walks you through what it's going to do. But basically, it comes up to it, boom, lowers it, and then it can go under your couch, your furniture, whatever it may be. And everything else map related would be at the bottom right here, where we have 3 tabs, room, all, and zone. It just allows us different options on our map to clean. Do we want to add multiple zones to clean? And we can add up to 10 zones at one time, and we can clean each of those zones 3 times in one cycle, if that makes sense. So whatever zone you have, you can add up to 10 zones any given moment, and you can clean those zones 1, 2, or 3 times. Next is the All tab, pretty self-explanatory. That's going to clean everywhere on your map. And then we also have the Room tab, where you could just choose one room or maybe a couple of rooms. You don't want to do a full clean. You can select those right there on your map. So Dreame gives us a lot of customization options with our X50 Ultra, and mapping. Doesn't matter if you're on iOS or Android devices to use the Dreame app to take advantage of these awesome cleaning customization features. Let it run, let it do its quick map, modify as needed, and you're all set and ready to go.